hoping it's not blurry. Like, don't be blurry. Don't be stupid. So hey everybody, it is Chastity Elise. I am back for another video. So this video I am doing an unboxing, but before you all watch it, please like and subscribe. And we are going to get into this video. So I just recently bought some shoes, and so I'm currently working on a project that I want to get out to you all very soon. However, I've come across a couple of snags, one of them being like that little money shooting gun that I had. It didn't work, so I returned that. So I'm gonna have to either find another one or figure out some other way around it, which I think I have an idea of what I can use instead of using the money shooting gun. But anyway, I have a project coming up with all that stuff: the money shooting gun, the boxing costume, and the custom vampire fangs that I showed you all in, I think it was one of the special delivery videos. I think it was the second special delivery video that I did with you all. And so this is kind of a part of that project. It's a combination of being a part of that project, but it's also part of like just me pampering myself, just because, you know, I feel like I do work really hard, and you know, sometimes you need to reward yourself. And of course, with everything that's going on, I feel like, you know, sometimes I have to do, and I'm sure other people sometimes feel like they have to do things to kind of decompress from everything that's going on around them. So maybe it is buying a piece of cake, maybe it's getting a scoop of ice cream, maybe it's going by a fast food restaurant, or you know, maybe it is stopping somewhere to get you a little drink or whatever, you know, whatever the case may be. And so, you know, I've just kind of been pampering myself with just buying different things like the green screen for myself, or you know, just buying those little hair clips for myself, or if you all see the video that I posted, buying little press-on nails and nail wraps, just because I'm not going out to any nail salons. So just like different little ways that you can reward yourself, different ways that you can decompress and just kind of take you out of and take you away from what is going on, like your little reprieve or your little calm from everything else that's going on in the world right now, because it's crazy. Like, it's what, July? Well, yeah, it's July now, about to be August, and I'm just like, personally, I'm done with this year. I'm like, let's start 2021. Let's get to November. Let's get out to vote. You know, let's make some changes, things like that. But that is beyond the spectrum of this particular video. So let's just go ahead and get into it anyway. So I got some shoes. Shoes I got are from or are by Giuseppe Zanotti. Those are the shoes that I got. So here is the box. It's just a regular old black box, and it's got tape on the front with his name on it. So it looks like just a basic box, more or less. Yeah, okay. So on the inside, it's just got his name, and then in small tiny writing there it says, "Thank you for purchasing at giuseppezanotti.com." All right, and it's got a card here, and I think this probably just has like the receipt in it. Basically, this is just instructions for trying products, how to return or exchange, and about doing like online returns and exchanges, and then preparing the package for delivery. So it's just like basic things. You just want to make sure that, you know, you keep everything in order before you return it. You don't want it to go back looking used, because then it looks like, okay, well, they used these shoes and then they just returned them. Kind of like people that will go to the club on the weekends. They buy an outfit they can't afford, so they go and they buy it today, they hide the tag, wear it to the club tonight, and then tomorrow they take it back to the store and say, oh, I want a refund now. but they've worn it out. It's already been taken for a test run.
For me, to spend £300, £400 on a dress I'm only going to wear once is a waste, because
Why don't you rent it?
I can't afford to pay that kind of money for clothes.
Rent it.
I can't find things like that to rent.
You looked, or is it just easier to do what you do?
It's easier and it's simpler and it's quicker, and I don't see the harm. I'm not stealing. I'm not taking profits from that store, because the item goes back in saleable condition. It can be sold to somebody who can afford it, can afford to keep it, and is probably going to get a lot more use out of it.
So more or less with this, you know, if you try the shoes on, they don't fit, then you send it back in perfect shape. Don't send it back worn. Common sense things, typical stuff that you would normally do for items. So not a big deal there. This box feels super nice. It almost feels like, I don't know, it feels like a patent box. Almost like, if y'all remember when I did the unboxing for Versace, it was like a box that felt like this. Like, this box is very different from what I am used to. Not gonna lie. I'm used to like the Nike, the cardboard boxes for shoes, not anything special like this. All right, so this has another little card inside the box. And it's just a message to the client. Our creations are designed and produced in Italy within our own production facilities, and they are the result of careful research to ensure they are of the highest quality. So it's basically this one just talking about the quality of the shoe and just kind of care instructions, how they were made, and that sort of thing. And that they are not liable for any damage that you do to the product once you receive it. Okay, so I got this bag. This is cute. So I guess this is just like a bag, like when you're not wearing your shoes, you can put your shoes in here just to protect them. Just kind of like, you know, with your Michael Kors bags and stuff, when you're not wearing them, you put them back in the bag. Now, granted, I don't, because I have a bag for maybe like 2 of my purses, but for most of my purses, I don't really have like the initial bags like that for where I can just put them in there for protection purposes. So these are the shoes, and I'm gonna try them on to see if they fit. I ordered, let's see if the size should be on the box. I ordered a size 36, equivalent to a 6, I believe. I'm so used to seeing like single digit in shoes. With pants, you know, I've seen double digits, but shoes I always see like single digits. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the shoes. So apparently these zippers are not just for decoration. The zippers actually work. My first time putting on any Giuseppe's. And the verdict, they feel comfortable. There they are. I'm gonna zip them up though. So these are a size 6 in the US, size 36. And the Giuseppe's, they feel comfortable. And personally, I feel like I like them. With me and shoes. So I love shoes. I love tennis shoes mainly. But I like tennis shoes out of everything, because tennis shoes are like the most comfortable shoes that you can wear. However, I also like flats, and I also like boots. Heels are okay. If I can find a comfortable heel, I will love it. But I mean, just in general, I'm not a big fan of heels, other than if they're comfortable. You know, but a lot of people like to wear heels that are not comfortable just because maybe they have a name or something attached to them. But I'm like, if they hurt my feet, I don't like them. I'm gonna show you all what these shoes look like on. There they are, man, right there. I don't know how well you all can see it, but they've got kind of like a metallic look to them. So I don't know if there is anybody else out there like me, where like you're excited about something, but the thing about it is people can't always tell that you're excited. I'm that person. I don't show excitement. Like I feel it. I have feelings like everybody else. I can tell you I am excited about these. That is the end of this video. So thank you all again for watching. Thank you all for supporting. And I will see you all in the next video.